Alright, so welcome back. Today we will be going over operators and expressions in Java. The main arithmetic operators Java has is plus, minus, times, divide, and modulo or modulus. So we're going to kind of go over those real quick. So I'm going to create some basic integers real quick. Let's do like int a equals 10, and then like int b equals 3. Alright, so we'll show you, let's do with addition first. All right, so let's do salt, and then we'll do a plus b equals, and then plus, and then in parentheses, so we can actually do the math operation itself, a plus b. So this will return 13. So you can see here, a plus b equals 13. So now we'll also do the subtraction. So out a minus b, and we'll do equals, and plus again, and we'll do a minus b. All right, that will return 7, and then we'll do a couple others, just times sake. So a, let's say times b, and we'll do equals plus a times b, which that should be 30. Do sout a divided by b equals plus a divided by b, and then we'll also do modulo. So we'll do a modulo is shown with a percent, a mod b equals plus a mod b, which that should return 1. So modulo is the remainder. So b, which is 3, can go into 10 3 times with one number remaining. So this will return 1. So if we run that, and then we see in our console output, a plus b equals 13, a minus b equals 7, a times b equals 30, a divided by b equals 3, and a mod b equals 1. Since both a and b are both integers, it won't return 3.33. It would say if we made both of these doubles. All right, because then it will return the value of a double. All right, and then as you can see, we get 13.0. Since these are all doubles, there will be a 0.0 at the end. And then we'll get 3.33 repeating forever. So now let's talk about compound assignment. Compound assignment is when you pair, so like a plus with an equal sign. So we'll do like int count equals 5. All right, now I want count to plus equal 2. So now it's going to take the value of count and it's going to add and assign the new value, which should be 7, to the value of count. So then if we also do count times equals 3, this should now be 21. And then if we do count minus equals 4, it should now be 17. All right, so now if we print out the value of count, we should get, see, now we get 17. All right, so in Java, we also have comparison operators. We'll go over some of them right now. So we're going to replace this. Let's do int age equals 18. Okay, so we can do sout, let's say age, and then we'll do double equal sign 18. If this looks a little weird to you, I do have ligatures enabled for my font on IntelliJ. So if it just looks a little different than yours, that is the reason why. So we'll do age equals 18, and then our check. So this is going to be a Boolean. So instead of a single equal sign, if we do 2, then that would check a left and a right. So we do a is equal to, sorry, age is equal to 18. All right, and then we got a couple others that we could do. So like age does not equal 18. So it does not, it will be an exclamation point followed by a equal sign. And then plus age does not equal 18. Alright, and then you can do, let's say, like age is greater than or equal to 18. And then age greater than or equal to 18. And we can also do, let's say, like age is less than 18. And we'll do age is less than 18. So if we run this, so we see here age is equal to 18, that is true. Age does not equal 18, false. Age is greater than or equal to 18 is true, and age is less than 18, that is false. Alright, so now let's go over logical operators. So we're going to remove all this, we're going to do Boolean. We're just going to kind of follow the same thing with the whole like ID 18 kind of thing. So we'll do has ID equals true. And then we'll do Boolean over 21 equals false. All right, actually, let's do int age equals, let's say this person is 19 years old. All right, so Boolean over 21 will do age is greater than or equal to 21. That little error it's showing me is because the value of age has never changed, so this is always going to equate to false. But for this example, we can be able to change 19 really, the value of age really easy. All right, so Boolean, say can enter equals has ID, and then we'll do double ampersand and over 21. So this is going to equate to false because just because they have ID, which is true, the value of over 21 is going to equate to false. So when you use the and check, this and this have to both be true. So we'll also do another Boolean. We'll say check pass equals, say, like has ID, and then we'll do or, so it'll be two pipes, and then over 21. So this will result in true, because it will check if this is true. If this is not true, then it's going to check the second. So if this is if has ID results in true, it won't check over 21 because it's an or operation. All right, so now we can do Boolean not adult equals, and then we'll do a not check. So let's say not over 21. So not is when you put an exclamation point in front of it. And then we'll do sout can enter plus can enter. And we'll do check pass. And then not adult plus value of not adult. So if we run this, all right, so then we see can't enter is false, check pass is true, and not adult is true. So now let's do operator precedence. So Java follows the PEMDAS rule, or parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, adding, subtracting. All right, so if we do say like int, let's call it like R1 equals 2 plus 3 times 4, right? So this would come out to 14, right? Because we'll do 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, that's going to equal 14. And then let's create another one. Let's do like R2. So we'll put, let's say 2 plus 3 in parentheses, and then we'll times that by 4. This should come out to 20. All right, because 2 plus 3 is 5, and then times 4 equals 20. So we'll do print out the value of R1, and then we'll print out the value of R2. So we hit run. All right, so from our first print, we see 14 because 2 plus 3 times 4. And then we'll see 20 for the second print line because in parentheses 2 plus 3, close parentheses, times 4 should be 20. All right, so now we're going to do a little example, putting all this into practice, all right? So I want to do like a price and flags kind of type deal. So we'll do like double, say base price of our item, let's say is 100.0. We'll do a double discount rate equals 0.15. And then we'll do double discounted equals base price. And then we'll do times, in parentheses, 1 minus discount rate. All right. And then we'll do, see, a double tax rate equals 0.08. We'll do another double total price equals a discounted say times, in parentheses, 1 plus tax rate. Okay, and then we'll do a couple booleans. Let's say one for like check if it is discounted. All right, and then we'll do equals discounted is less than the base price. And then we'll do boolean is expensive. And we'll just say like if the total price is above, let's say like 50. Okay. So let's do the base price. And that is going to be the base price. I'm going to do another print line. After discount. So discounted. I'm going to do the price with tax. Oh, total price. Another print line. We'll say, let's say a discount applied. And we'll put is discounted. And then another print line. Last one, we'll put if it's expensive. Expensive. All right, and we'll put is expensive. So if we run this, so then we see the base price is going to be 100. Then the price after the discount is going to be $85. All right. And then with tax, it's going to come out to $91.80. And then was there a discount applied? Yes, because the discount is less than the base price. And is it expensive? Yes, or true, because it is over $50. So we went over arithmetic and modulo, compound assignments, comparisons and logical operators, and then we also went over precedence with parentheses. Next episode, we'll probably go over control flow, which will be like if statements, while do loops or do while loops, and switches. Thanks for watching.